Have you ever woken up feeling off, wondering if those unusual symptoms could be something serious? We're going to discuss 5 key warning signs that, especially as we get older, could potentially point to cancer. Recognizing these early can truly make a world of difference for your health. It's all about staying informed and taking proactive steps to protect your well-being. Before we dive in, consider this like a friendly reminder to stay connected with our content. That way, you won't miss out on future insights that could be just as valuable. Cancer is a formidable foe, currently ranking among the most dangerous diseases with alarmingly high mortality rates. E2Euro's trade is often portrayed as a relentless enemy, striking indiscriminately regardless of age or financial status. A cancer diagnosis, especially in its later stages, can feel like a devastating blow, often accompanied by immense suffering. However, medical experts emphasize that early detection is key, offering the possibility of a complete cure. The ability to recognize the initial signs and symptoms is paramount. That's why we're sharing 5 critical cancer indicators that you might notice upon waking up. These insights can empower you to seek timely medical attention and potentially avert severe consequences. Think of it like this: when cancer is mentioned, many people immediately associate it with a death sentence, a sudden storm of misfortune. Take the story of Mr. Tan Tong from Vinh Phuc. In late 2022, he began experiencing intense chest pain and severe coughing spells every morning for 2 weeks. Alarmed, he visited the Vinh Phuc Provincial Hospital. Imaging revealed a tumor in his right lung. He sought a second opinion at Bo Mai Hospital and Military Medical University 108, where the diagnosis of lung cancer was confirmed. Fortunately, the cancer was detected in its early stages. By November 2023, after undergoing 3 rounds of radiation therapy and adhering to treatment protocols, his cancer was nearly eradicated. This highlights the importance of recognizing those early warning signs. So, let's explore those 5 crucial indicators to help you take control of your health. First, persistent headaches after waking up. While morning headaches are a common complaint, don't dismiss them too quickly. They could be a sign of serious underlying conditions. For instance, they might indicate and diagnose cerebrovascular disease, where reduced blood flow to the brain leads to oxygen and nutrient deficiencies. This can cause headaches, fatigue, dizziness, restlessness, sleep disturbances, and even memory decline. Left untreated, it can progress to chronic headaches, blood clots, strokes, and even death. Another possibility is cervical spondylosis, a condition causing bone spurs on the cervical vertebrae, compressing nerves and hindering blood flow to the brain. This results in headaches, dizziness, nausea, poor concentration, and memory loss. Even depression or anxiety can manifest as chronic morning headaches due to imbalances in serotonin and cortisol levels. These headaches can lead to exhaustion and reduced quality of life. Therefore, if you experience unusual headaches upon waking, consult a doctor for diagnosis and treatment. If the headaches are mild, you can try some simple remedies. Ginger tea, made with a spoonful of ginger in hot water, can leverage ginger's anti-inflammatory properties. If it soaks in hot water for 10 minutes, 15 minutes can alleviate stress-induced headaches by improving circulation and reducing tension. Second, joint pain after waking up. While joint pain is common with aging, morning joint pain can indicate serious health issues. Consider the case of Mr. B. Van Thuan, 66, from Binh Lam, Quang Binh. He sought treatment at Don Hoi City General Hospital for joint pain and stiffness lasting 3 weeks. The diagnosis was bone tuberculosis, an increasingly prevalent condition in Vietnam. Bone tuberculosis, caused by tuberculosis bacteria, often affects the hips, spine, and knees. Infected joints typically exhibit mild to moderate pain, swelling, and stiffness, particularly in the morning. It can easily be mistaken for rheumatism or rheumatoid arthritis due to similar symptoms. Untreated, it can lead to permanent disability. Doctors advise paying close attention to morning joint pain and seeking early treatment. For mild joint pain, try warm compresses applied to the affected area for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day. Gentle morning exercises like walking, yoga, or stretching can improve joint pain and flexibility. Essential oils like peppermint, ginger, or lavender can also provide relief through their anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Third, fatigue and memory decline. Waking up tired is a widespread issue, but persistent fatigue may signal serious conditions. Thyroid problems can cause fatigue and memory decline due to insufficient hormone production. Diabetes can lead to tiredness and concentration difficulties due to unstable blood sugar levels. Depression can also manifest as fatigue and memory issues, resulting in a lack of energy and focus. If fatigue and memory decline persist, seek medical evaluation. For milder cases, try drinking lemon water to boost vitamin C and immunity, establishing a regular sleep schedule for body recovery, and maintaining a balanced diet rich in vitamins, minerals, and protein for sustained energy. Fourth, wheezing and mucus in the mouth. Wheezing and mucus after waking up can indicate respiratory conditions, including lung cancer. Typically, this arises from mucus buildup in the respiratory tract causing wheezing and discomfort. Asthma, a chronic respiratory condition, is a common cause characterized by wheezing, cough, and mucus. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD, can also cause this, leading to shortness of breath and wheezing, especially in the morning. Bronchitis, an inflammation of the bronchial tubes, results in excessive mucus production and persistent coughing. If you frequently experience this, especially with coughing, shortness of breath, or other unusual signs, consult a doctor. For less severe cases, try drinking warm water with honey and lemon to reduce coughing and clear the respiratory tract. Using a humidifier can reduce mucus buildup and improve wheezing. Steaming with peppermint or tea tree oil can help clear the airways. Fifth, loss of appetite. Loss of appetite upon waking can significantly impact eating habits and overall health. It can stem from various causes, from simple health issues to serious diseases. Gastric ulcers can cause a loss of appetite, nausea, and stomach pain after waking up. Fatty liver disease can affect digestive function and alter appetite. Cancer, particularly stomach or esophageal cancer, can affect eating ability and decrease appetite. If you frequently experience persistent loss of appetite, seek medical diagnosis and early treatment. For milder cases, try eating a light breakfast with healthy snacks like fruit, nuts, or yogurt to stimulate appetite. Drinking fresh fruit juice provides vitamins, minerals, and can stimulate appetite and improve taste. Incorporating stimulating flavors, such as spices, herbs, or spicy foods, can also help increase appetite. Many people also wonder about the significance of blood in the stool, often feeling confused and worried. Infrequent occurrences linked to constipation and anal mucosa damage are generally not dangerous and resolve within days. However, persistent bleeding accompanied by other health abnormalities warrants caution, potentially indicating a more serious underlying condition. Hemorrhoids might cause bright red blood to appear outside the stool, with minimal and infrequent bleeding in mild cases. Severe cases can lead to prolonged blood flow, causing anemia, jaundice, fatigue, and deteriorating health. Delayed treatment can result in rectal and anal complications, and in severe cases, colorectal cancer. Anal polyps can also cause gastrointestinal bleeding, leading to bright red blood droplets in the stool, along with abdominal pain and diarrhea. Remember, blood in the stool isn't a disease but a symptom of underlying internal conditions. Untreated, it can lead to significant blood loss, impacting essential components like red blood cells, immune regulators, and clotting factors. Discomfort and pain can also hinder social activities, work, and exercise. Minimize the risk by increasing green vegetables, fresh fruits, and fiber intake, developing regular bowel habits, avoiding straining during bowel movements, and undergoing routine digestive checkups. If you notice blood in the stool, seek medical attention promptly. Another sign to consider is a bitter taste in the mouth after waking up. A lingering bitter taste can be caused by liver diseases, where impaired liver function leads to stagnation of heat and dampness, affecting gallbladder function and causing fluid overflow. A person who is frequently stressed, tired, under pressure, or irritable to the point of losing their temper can experience diminished liver function. This leads to a bitter taste in the mouth along with dryness, a coated tongue, and eventually acid reflux. Reflux occurs when the sphincter at the top of the stomach weakens. This allows stomach acid to flow back into the esophagus. Kidney-related conditions can also contribute. The kidneys are crucial organs responsible for detoxifying the body. When there are issues with the kidneys, toxins accumulate in the body. This can lead to skin reactions, oral issues, and notably bad breath, a metallic taste, bitterness, and dryness in the mouth upon waking. Moreover, a dry and bitter mouth upon waking can also be a sign of diabetes. If you wake up with a bitter taste in your mouth and this persists, it's essential to thoroughly review your lifestyle and dietary habits to determine the cause of the bitterness. If it's a dental hygiene issue, the solution is to improve your oral care routine. If the problem is related to the stomach, adjust your diet to include fewer stomach-irritating foods. If there are issues with the liver or gallbladder, try to reduce irritability and balance liver chi, maintaining a calm and cheerful mood and avoiding prolonged stress. To protect your body's defenses, ensure adequate rest and regular and sufficient sleep, and limit smoking and alcohol consumption. If morning bitterness persists, especially with symptoms like abdominal pain, bloating, fever, weight loss, or fatigue, you should seek medical advice as soon as possible. Lastly, persistent coughing after waking up could be a sign of lung cancer. One of the earliest warning signs of lung cancer is persistent coughing in the morning after waking up. The cough will be persistent, lasting more than 2 weeks, and may include flame blood, difficulty breathing, wheezing, and swallowing problems. Typically, patients with early-stage lung cancer experience continuous coughing, but without any special signs like coughing up bloodstream phlegm. Individuals with poor immunity, a history of heavy smoking, or exposure to polluted environments are more susceptible to lung cancer. Persistent coughing can also be caused by other conditions such as pneumonitis, chronic bronchitis, emphysema, or dry coughs from tuberculosis, pneumonia, or asthma. Therefore, you should visit a healthcare facility promptly for diagnosis and timely treatment. Now, let's consider some healthy habits to start your day. Warm up your feet before stepping onto the floor. All these actions aim to awaken the body's organs simultaneously. Drink a glass of warm water. Water is an essential part of the body. Drinking warm water in the morning brings surprising benefits to your health. It helps boost the immune system. The best time to drink warm water is in the morning after waking up or about 30 minutes before breakfast. Perform stretching exercises while sleeping. Maintaining an improper position often leads to numbness and discomfort when waking up. Practice regular bowel movements. Morning bowel movements are not only a daily routine, but also the best way for the body to detoxify. Massage the head and face daily. Massage stimulates blood circulation, making the skin smoother and giving vitality to the face. Exercise regularly. Exercising in the morning improves blood circulation, making body organs function more effectively. Build and maintain a balanced diet. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, providing energy for the body and mind to start the day. Plan and organize your work for the entire day. Creating a clear plan for your tasks and activities helps manage your time more effectively and reduces stress. We hope this information has been enlightening and valuable for maintaining your health. We'd love to hear from you. What have you learned from this video? Please take a moment to comment below on one thing you've learned and how you plan to apply it in your life. If you like this video, please leave your comment below and don't forget to like, share to our content. The support helps us continue bringing you valuable content and take